The strain on land and resources to feed a growing world population has reached a breaking point. Responsible and sustainable agricultural and forestry practices are necessary to prevent the climate crisis. To support this ambition, the Green Fund was established to catalyze more than $2 billion in private sector investments to protect and restore 5 million hectares of tropical forests and thus benefit over 500,000 households through improved yields, incomes and jobs. The Green Fund's unique risk tolerance is combined with stringent financial and environmental and social rigor to finance new sustainable models for agri-commodity production at industrial scale. Its sustainable land use management philosophy seeks increased yields without clearing forested land. In its maiden investment of $24 million in RLU's sustainable rubber plantations, Green committed RLU to designate a quarter of the concession for local communities and wildlife conservation. The Green Fund is committed to supporting clients like RLU through a practical and hands-on investment approach to facilitate increased production, protection of forests and biodiversity, and to restore ecosystem services. Green's blended finance investments will increase yields, protect and restore natural resources, as well as reduce investment risks for other private sector investors, and thus make investee companies commercially viable, resilient and profitable over the long term.